So finally I did something with bigger, because it's faster. This thing need more RPM, and I did, but I put that here. So I took all fuel from tank to the engine and came back, and I was fast when I changed that. I'm so sorry because I didn't record it, but yes. And yes, don't play with this thing. If you lose this thing, then air come inside, and yes, it needs to be closed. And now I will try to see how much I have pressure on my fuel rail with my scanner and laptop. So I have this small thing here, and okay, I will now open the program. This is one old laptop. I have another one, but on another is very bad battery, and now we're gonna see what is going on. Can we use this car today or no? Okay, so we should connect. Okay. Okay. It's very good thing for Ford and Mazda, and I don't know which another car model, but it's good thing. So what? Okay, autofocus turn off. Okay. Yes, that's my car. Yes. To MS. So MS. Where is MS? I don't know. Whatever. Okay. It's okay or no? Yes, it's okay. So DTC. I need to connect one more time, but whatever. So we need to see fuel rail table. That's fuel rail pressure. That's right there. But can we see it here? No, it's too much thing, guys. No, we just keep eye on this thing. So maybe this car will start now. We're gonna see. Maybe I have luck. So start monitoring. Okay, we need to change this every time. We need to do this. And okay, wait, why? Again? I need to connect again. I don't know what's happening, but I need to connect it again. So, not connected, connect. Yes. Google 10 doesn't, yes. Okay. Okay, go. Now it's better, I think. We have some, we have too much. Okay. I want to see this. Okay. Yes, and now it's working. So we need to look this thing here. Okay, now we're gonna start it. No, but it comes slowly. Yay! We are there. Woohoo! But okay. Whoa! Oh, good. I should turn off this thing. We did it. Thanks God. Thanks God. I need this car, bro. I need it. More of my daughter needs to go to school and all that, and I need this crap. I love you, boy. I love you. Okay, so but we have some bubbles, but I don't care. It's working. That's just there. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. I know my friend worked before something like this, and it was just a little like that. But it's important that we don't have air in motor. That's really important. So that's good. That's good. I should take this. That's good. We made it. Thanks God we made it. I'm so happy. You don't know how much I'm happy right now. I can't explain. I can't explain. Really. So, if you like this video, subscribe. I'm going to sleep. I'm happy right now. I'm happy. Thanks God. Thanks God. I made it. Thanks God. It's really cold here in Germany, and my daughter goes to school tomorrow, and I really need this car. Really, really. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay strong.